So earlier this year, Poco launched the Poco F4 5G smartphone. It's a premium mid-range smartphone that comes with AMOLED display, Snapdragon 870 and many more interesting features. And now its successor, the Poco F5 5G, is in the works and will soon launch in the market. A Poco phone with 2313PC75G model number has appeared on the EEC certification website. This model number is believed to be associated with the global version of the Poco F5 5G. The upcoming smartphone will bring some huge upgrade over its predecessor, which I'm gonna tell you in this video. So let's delve in. Starting with the display, the device will get a Super AMOLED display with 1440 by 3200 pixel resolution, a fast 120Hz refresh rate and 1000 nits of brightness level. The Poco F4 5G features a Full HD Plus display, so it's a huge improvement over the Poco F4, and I'm really glad to see Poco is offering a really good display on the Poco F5. But the biggest upgrade would be the SoC which it's gonna get. It's being said that the device will get the flagship Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, which is currently the best flagship SoC for Android devices. This will make the Poco F5 5G the second Poco phone to feature the flagship Snapdragon SoC. The first device was the Poco F1 of 2018. Once again, the device is getting a huge upgrade as the Poco F4 came with the Snapdragon 870 SoC. Apart from this, we don't know much about its features and specifications, but we can expect other features such as a larger battery with fast charging support, upgraded cameras and faster RAM and storage. There could be a hole punch cutout in the display for the selfie camera. The device is likely to arrive in China as the Redmi K60 and then arrive in the global market. So what do you guys think about this? Do let me know in the comments, and if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. With that being said, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.